Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the 12:30, 3rd of November, and check this out coming into Whyalla. It is freezing, it's only about 16 degrees at the moment. I've got a lightning alarm out here somewhere. I thought I'd come down and check it out, but that cloud looks amazing. It's forecast for thunderstorms, but this cold air, I don't think it's going to happen, but as I say, I just got a lightning alarm out here somewhere. Got a nice bit of rain behind me as well. I'm just down at the beach here in the marina. Might go a bit high up on Hummock Hill, which is Hummock Hill is just up there. Definitely be a bit more shelter if it starts raining. But yeah, it's freezing, it's bloody November. It should be warming up by now. Alright guys, I'm back up Hummock Hill again. Just got a lightning alarm for this cloud here, this little cell here. There's not much in it, it's only got one lightning alarm. Only got one bolt on the radar, so I don't think there's much in it. But it does look good. So I'm just doing a time lapse of this rain band coming in over Whyalla there. Let's see how that turns out. It'd be nice if there's a nice bolt in here, but yeah, it's no lightning active as usual. Still a nice bit of rain over there as well. Yeah, it looks good. I have to make a dash with the car pretty soon before I get wet. Try and get a little bit more time out of this time lapse. Wow, it's getting closer. I'm going to have to pack up pretty soon. It's just gotten the rain. You can see the rain just over 8 Mile Creek now. See if we can zoom in. As far as I can zoom in on my little DJI. It's coming fast. I have to pack up soon. I'm going to get ready to pack up, guys. Here it comes, just pack up at the right time. Look at that over there, that is thick as. That's coming in hard. That sounds like hail actually. Wow. That is pretty cool watching that come in. Yeah, sounds like hail. Or big heavy drops at least. Yep, no, small hail. Wow. So you can see down there the hail bouncing around. Only really small pieces. Hopefully it stays small. Oh, this is crazy. Can't even see Whyalla now. That's a little bit of excitement. Haven't seen hail for a long time. Just turned to rain now, I think. I don't know if you can see there, it's a little bit of the hail in the window. I didn't get any lightning today, got a little bit of hail instead, something different. That cell coming in looked pretty cool, so hopefully the time lapse turned out. So I'll go home and do a bit of editing now, and I'll post it up later today. So yeah, that was very cool.